Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. I have something for you. We'll be putting this in my shop, and I have one. I made a second, almost identical as I could, that I am planning to make the journal of. But if you go to get this out of the shop and it's gone already, contact me, and if I haven't started on the journal, you can get that one, the second one that I put together, in case you have to have this, which you might. It's the papers I got from this paper pad, and what is so cool about it is it's double-sided. So it's fabulous, of course. So let me show you what all is in this kit. Start with the little things. This is I guess, jewelry bag, but it's silver sequins, or yeah, sort of. They don't have the holes in them, but I still would call it sequins. I have this gorgeous tag. It's a to from tag, but you know. These banners. This one is and they're real thick. They're very sturdy chipboard, if not more. But this one is gorgeous. Actually, both are. This little card. And what's so cool, I mean, you can take the Christmas off if that's, because, you know, Frozen's not necessarily Christmas, but it can be, depending on how you work it. But you could take that off easily, as it's just on with yeah, foam tape. Oh, and here's the envelope. I have, I think I got these at Dollar Tree some time ago. I have little playing cards, which are adorable. And this one is, I think the background is so pretty. And then, so I love them. So that you know, they could be journaling cards, they could be tags, they could be pockets, anything. This is a real pretty silvery metallic paper, and then it's got matching stickers or coordinating stickers. This is an old, close to my heart thing, I think. Beautiful embossed piece of wallpaper, perfect size for a pocket, or you know, whatever. The back is, I think it's, you could actually write on it. It's paper, but you know, whatever. And then here is a pretty holiday napkin. It says, "May your holidays shine." I thought the color was pretty perfect. And it only has the phrase on one panel of it, but the whole napkin is this pretty light blue, aquish color with the snowflakes. So you could still cover, you know, journal cards or pages or whatever. This is a piece of gift wrap. And it looks like blue on the middle, on the inside to me, but I could be wrong. Anyway, it's just pretty. It could be one of those big old giant tags where you just, and then you flip it open. Huge amount of writing space. I thought this was adorable. This is a card, sort of. And it's got a vellum top, and it says to put your photograph there, which you can, or you don't have to. And this could actually be two different things, or one thing, or you know, whatever. But I thought it was really cute. And this is a clear envelope, peel and stick. But I don't know if I would trust that. If you were using it to put confetti or make a shaker, I think I would close it better than that thing. But anyway, I thought that was really cute. This is a 4x8, so it could be a card or a tag, or they could be cut separately. But I thought it was really cute. Piece of Tim Holtz wallpaper. Paper that looks like wallpaper. This is just an 8x8 of, I looked it up and I've forgotten because this is an old map, so I looked it up to see what it is now. Can't remember what it is, but it's cold weather. I did double check that to make sure it was a very cold place, so that could work. Piece of green. It's a very light sagey green wallpaper that has maybe sort of a wood grain. Not sure if you can tell where I'm looking. I can't tell. So anyway, and a large 9x12 envelope. It's been used. Let's see, 2000. And it's got a big old window. It would be perfect for a page, perfect size, or it could be cut up, or it could be, you know, any number of things, you know. Piece of vellum, a music page. I don't think they're the same song, but no, that doesn't matter. But it's got some pretty little things down here, or that. So anyway, piece of music page. Now here comes the fun part, and I still have to cut the tops off, but I will do that. So I dug into my solids for coordinating pages, but this is Elsa, and then look at the back, Anna, I believe. I have a piece of, so it would be 6x12 of silver glitter paper, because I thought it needed it, and look, wouldn't it be perfect with that? And then here's the back of that. I love this. And then here's the back. Oh, they're silhouettes. I couldn't figure out what it was. Okay. A solid pink that goes with this, and that, and this. Not really that, but, and then a page of our little cutie. So that's all the papers. And I want to say there's 14 12x12s, and then, you know, some smaller little pages and little goodies. Okay, now here's some extra stuff. This, let's got a little snowman on it, is a little tiny box, which can absolutely go in the trash. It is not going to hurt my feelings, but it does have some a little page of stickers in it, which is you know, not buy, uh-oh, one of them came off. Because, you know, such high quality glues, right? Anyway, that's neither here nor there. What I thought of with this would be to, you know, glue this in really well. Cut these off and make a little tiny book. It could go on your tree, or it could, you know, go wherever. If you have a snowman collection, just kind of set it in there. And you can put little pages in it. You can put photographs or, you know, a pretend Christmas list or, you know, whatever. Just cute. So, there's that. Okay, here are a bunch of snowflake stickers, and they're what's it called, the foam, and this little star comes out of the middle, but there's several. There's a couple of shades of blue, there's some white, silver's in there somewhere. Oopsie. And then there's these. I don't remember what they're for, but I do use them in Christmas because they kind of look like ornaments you could put on a tree, or kind of looks like snow, or, you know, whatever. But those are cute. That would be cute in that clear envelope for a shaker. We have two little bags. One is mixed colors, but then if you just wanted to stick with the blue and white, then there's just solid blue and white. We have a little bag of jingle bells. Half a sheet of these stickers. The other half is in the other set I created, but it, of course, is different than this. But I thought it was fabulous. I love the little mitten. And then a strip of real diamonds. This little glassine bag will be in there. It'll be holding some of this stuff. Then there's a little bit of ribbon. There's just, looks kind of like hammered something. Anyway, a big old long piece of the silver. This cool stuff here, which is wired, so you could, you know, make it a shape. This is a pretty green with pine cones and you know, that. And then here's a piece of white with silver on it. And that will be in my shop. And like I said, if the other one, if you get there and this is gone and you have to have it, holler at me. And if I haven't started making it, I will give you, I will send you the other one. And these are 12 by 12s. I'll have to fold them in half. So if you hate that idea, do let me know and we'll figure something out. But that is it. And I hope that you are having, you know, a good day and that things are going well for you in your world. All right, I will talk to you soon. Thank you.